Method of sampling. This is the sampling system, and the apparatus needed for it is sampling pump, 3-piece cassette and cassette holders, silicone tubing, bubble meter, cellulose ester membrane filter. So before we continue with the sampling procedure, we need to do the calibration for pump flow rate. First, charge the pump and then set up the apparatus just like figure 2, and the bubble will drawn up the cylinder, and then the time for the bubble to pass through the 2 scale marking is then recorded. By knowing the travel time and tube volume, the flow rate can be calculated by using the formula below. And the pump flow rate must be set in between 1 to 4 liters per minute for up to 8 hours for a total sampling size of 200 to 1500 liters for TWA measurement. So sampling procedure. Place the sampling equipment not more than 30 cm away from the nose-mouth region. And then turn on the pump and record the following information. At the end of sampling period, switch off the pump and remove the cassette. Now, analysis for air bottling. So, this is the reagent needed for the analysis, and we are using the equipment flame AAS to detect the leak. So, before we continue with the analysis procedure, we need to do 2 things, which is sample preparation and calibration curve. So, to continue from just now, we open the cassette filter holders and transfer the samples and blank to the clean beakers, and then add certain chemical and heat it, and then following the procedure, at the final we will obtain a sample in a 10 ml volumetric flask. And for the calibration part, we need to prepare a series of working standards covering different concentration of lead, and then we will draw a calibration curve of absorbance versus lead concentration, just like this. And then analysis procedure. Set the flame AAS as specified by the manufacturer and aspirate the standard samples and blank from here, and record the absorbance reading and compare with the calibration curve just now to estimate its corresponding concentration of lead in the sample. So that's all from me. Thank you.